Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup in an Instant Pot only way. Start by setting your Instant Pot to sauté and brown onions, garlic, and carrots for extra flavor. Add chicken broth, boneless chicken, celery, salt, and pepper, then seal and cook on manual high for 8 minutes. Quick release pressure, shred the chicken, stir in noodles, simmer until tender, and adjust seasoning before serving. Prep your ingredients precisely so cooking is fast and consistent. Chop onions, carrots, and celery into uniform pieces. Use boneless chicken breasts or thighs for easy shredding. Measure 6 cups of broth and season lightly with salt and pepper. Add a bay leaf and thyme sprigs for subtle aroma. Keep egg noodles or wide pasta ready and add them after pressure cooking for perfect texture. Reserve 1 cup of hot broth to loosen the soup and adjust thickness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support easy recipe videos. Quick recommendation. Little Trees Black Ice is perfect for masking grocery trip odors and keeping your car smelling great during soup season. I use one on the mirror after loading groceries, and it keeps the ride fresh and pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Layer ingredients into the Instant Pot in this order: sautéed vegetables, chicken, and broth. Seal and set to manual high pressure for 8 minutes to fully cook chicken. Use quick release to prevent overcooking and shred the meat with 2 forks directly in the pot. Switch to sauté, add noodles, and simmer until al dente, which takes about 5 minutes depending on noodle type. Taste and correct salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.